Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of culinary convenience with the Immersion Blender 5-in-1 hand blender, a powerhouse in your kitchen with its robust 1000W full copper motor that makes blending, mixing, grating, pureeing, and chopping a breeze. With 21 speeds and a turbo mode, this blender offers precise control, allowing you to create everything from smooth salsas to frothy milkshakes with ease. This versatile 5-in-1 tool includes a hand blender, an 800ml mixing beaker, a 600ml chopper, a whisk attachment, and a milk frother, ensuring you can tackle any recipe without hassle. Designed for comfort and convenience, it features a non-slip grip handle and easy-to-detach, dishwasher-safe parts, making cleanup as effortless as the cooking. The scratch-resistant design and unique blending blade guard protect your containers while preventing splashes and keeping food from getting stuck, effortlessly handling large or tough ingredients. With a 12-month warranty and 24-hour quality service, you can buy with confidence, knowing this durable and practical kitchen gadget is perfect for both personal use and gifting. So, why not elevate your culinary game with the Immersion Blender 5-in-1 hand blender and enjoy healthy, delicious meals every day? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.